I'm going to go over the camp dungeon crawl command. Let's get into it. All right, so once you've installed Festival with Brew, first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to a campaign. So you can use camp switch and locate one of your campaigns. We go to Obey campaign. All right, so now I'm in the Obey campaign. Open up new them. You see you have this workflow directory, and there's a few things that come with this. Like when you install Festival and you run camp init, and workflow, you'll set up workflow with design, explore, pipelines, and code reviews. And those are some default workflows. You can add your own. You can configure your own inside of your campaign.yaml file. But for this video, I'm going to do camp dungeon crawl. So as you can see, like in the top level directory, I've got a bunch of stuff here. But I can also use, if you set up the shell scripts, you can use camp go and camp switch commands with shorthand. So for camp go, it's cgo, and now I can do like cgo d to go to the design directory. And this workflow is fairly simple. All you do is have your agents create a new directory, and you have structure specs and markdown. And what a dungeon crawl is over time, you're just going to be creating tons of different work inside your campaign. And it can be kind of annoying to keep worrying about cleaning up the context. So camp dungeon crawl, you just run camp dungeon crawl, and this will just walk you through everything you have in a workflow directory or anywhere where you've added a camp dungeon. And it'll make you make a quick decision. You can either move it to a dungeon status, or you can route it to the docs directory at the root of the campaign. So I'm going to start reading through this and just go through what it does. So create remote fast next workflow. All right, so that one I haven't done yet, so I'll make it here. This one, camp intent add specify campaign. I think I did that one, so that one I'm going to be completed. Generic work, I haven't done that one yet. Festival app simplification, that one's still in progress, so I'll keep it here. Shortcuts and app state. That one's done. I'll move it to completed. That one's also done. That one I still need to read. That one's not done yet. This one's done. That one's not done. That one's done. All right. Now I have to run camp log. Auto commits what we just did. And push. So how you use camp dungeon crawl. For the command, that's how you do it. And the reason you do that is it just takes a lot of mental energy to do that cleanup without something like that. So what ends up happening is your context over time gets really dirty and has a bunch of old things you don't really care about too much. Also, you're not losing anything when you're moving to statuses. You just move them into the dungeon. And now I can still go and look at it, still search through it, but the agents aren't going to pick it up without you telling them to look in the dungeon.